Hello, welcome to the queue. It is Operation Boston. Japan turns 7. For our $40, we've got a medium bomber, 2 Marines, artillery, finish our factory in Honshu, militia, mountain, and then a militia upgrade, and then last a militia upgrade militia. Our techs are the Construction Brothers, improved and large ship. I guess doesn't matter what color that other one is. All right. Let's see what we got. A 9. So that is large ship. Oh, no, they're both. Never mind. I thought I had it reversed, right? Gray, blue. Even though I didn't get the blue color, but we can tell what that is. And I did have a problem with the German tech. I think this is the one. I got advanced subs and I moved that one over. And that's improved construction, which I wasn't even rolling for. So I moved that one over. So large ship and improved construction. So where was that one? What was this? I think that was factories. Yeah, the Construction Brothers are on to stage 3. So good deal. Next up is no combat. So we don't need this. Well, we'll roll that right now, and then we'll get rid of the dice tray. So this is the recruitment roll for Suyon. 1 and a 2. All right, so let's get rid of that. And because we're coming south with our Navy, at least some of it. Our battle cruiser will come down 1, 2 into P61. We are going to bring... Are we bringing the destroyers? No, we're going to bring the torpedo boat destroyer, though. All right. From P41 will be 2 heavy cruisers. 1, 2, 3. Also from P41 will be a transport grabbing 2 Marines from Kwangtung. They will stay on the transports. Dramamine will be issued. Transport number 2 will grab a Marine and an infantry and come down. 1, 2. All right. Or do I just want to make that 2 Marines? I got 2 more Marines coming down. Let's just make it a total of 4 Marines. There we go. So now I got 2 destroyers. There's 2 Marines. This destroyer's going back up. All right, so let's bring this transport. See, this transport's going up. So this transport will grab the artillery and an infantry. And it will come down 1, 2. I guess I didn't give myself enough room here. All right, so that is 3 transports loaded. 2 heavy cruisers, torpedo boat destroyer, battle cruiser. The 2 battleships will come down to P50. Or, let's see. Yeah, P50 will be good. So we don't really need this card anymore. Put those 2 destroyers there. All right, so this transport's going to non-com north. And these are coming south. But first, we've got this air transport. Grabs an infantry from Kyushu. Or is it a Marine? We're going to grab a Marine from Kyushu and just fly down here to Siam. The airborne from Cochin China walks over to Siam. This transport grabs a Marine and an infantry. Comes down 1, 2, 3 into P50. Drops them off in Siam. This transport grabs the mountain, comes over here, grabs the infantry from Rihe, which is P14, to 3, and drops off the infantry and the mountain in Kwangtung. All right, so that leaves this destroyer here is going north, 1, 2 into P15. Let me see, I'm going to have 1 transport and 1 destroyer. That's good. All right. This destroyer will come down 1 into P50. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe I want to leave him up there to grab a Marine. Or maybe I'll just take a Marine with me. There we go. I'll take a Marine. He gets on this destroyer, comes down to P50, and he goes into Siam as well. So that guy's alone. We don't like that. So we're going to send this light carrier and a heavy cruiser from P14 into P41. The other heavy cruiser is going to come down 1, 2, 3 into P50. Or is it? Interesting. Because I'm bringing my carriers. They can go 4. 1, so they're P14. 1, 2, 3, 4 into P59. So the light carrier, fleet carrier, 2 fighters, tactical. There's no subs anywhere. The Dutch can't attack me. They can't just randomly spawn and attack me. So we're good with what we got there. All right, so we're good there. We're good there. We've moved that. The light cruiser from P16, 1, 2, 3, 4, comes into P50. The transport that's in P50 that did not move or do anything will come back up to Kyushu, go in port. All right, so we're going to move this seaplane off Okinawa. 1, 2. All right, this fighter comes off of Hopei. 1, 2, 3 into Honshu. These 2 tacks and the fighter come out of Hopei. 1, 2, 3. And where's the line? I can't see. It's way up there. So they can go into Cochin, China. Leaving my target select with them. All right. All right. So up north, we got a cavalry in Rihe, comes over to Korea. Cavalry in Hopei comes over to Rihe. Cavalry in Shensi comes over to Shantung. Motorized comes to Sichuan. We're going to rail that artillery out of Shensi down into Siam here. And that's our rail movement. I think that's it. Coastal sub. I got a marker there. Why is that? Coming over to P63. That's what it was. All right. So I think we're good. We're going to leave our subs. I think we'll pull this sub out. We'll come over 1 to I7. And this sub here, it's in P50. We'll come down with the fleet here to P61. All right. I believe that's it. We've already rolled that. Our income didn't change. We're at 33. We did not save a buck. And we have 6. So we're at 39 for next turn. And let's place our goods. Tokyo gets the bomber. Kyushu gets 2 Marines and an artillery. We finished the factory in Honshu. That'll give us an extra tech roll. That's nice. Rihe gets the mountain infantry. militia goes in Shensi. And then we're upgrading another militia here in Siam to an infantry. And the last one is the militia, upgrade militia. So we're just going to add an infantry to Kwangtung. And that's it. All right. So let's move on to recap and we'll be done. Sub in I-7, I-12, P-61 is battle cruiser, torpedo boat destroyer, 2 cruisers, 1 sub, 3 transports loaded with infantry, artillery, and 4 marines. Coastal sub in P-63, P-59 as well, along with the 2 carriers with the fighter, tactical fighter. P-50 is 2 battleships, heavy cruiser, light cruiser, 3 destroyers, and a transport. P-41 is a light cruiser, heavy cruiser transport. P-16 is a torpedo boat destroyer. P-15 is a torpedo boat destroyer. Kyushu is a 2 marines, artillery, and in port is a transport. Honshu is a new factory fighter. Tokyo is a bomber, militia. Korea cavalry, Rihe cavalry, mountain infantry in Rihe. Shensi is a militia. Szechuan is a motorized. Shangtung is a cavalry. Formosa is a militia seaplane. Kwangtung is 2 militia, 1 marine, 2 mountain, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 infantry. Siam is an airborne, a militia, 4 marines, 2 artillery, 4 infantry. Oh, it's 5 marines, and an air transport. Cochin China is 2 tacticals and a fighter. And I think that's it. There's some various militia islands. And we are done with turn 7. Next up is Commonwealth.